Hey, what is up everybody? Josh Quinones here, and today we are going to be taking another look at Samsung's foldable phone. That was just announced not too long ago, just recently. They give us kind of a little tease of what the phone could possibly look like, how it could possibly work, but they did have the phone covered. They just gave us a little tease. They turned down the lights. They didn't want to show off too much because it was not the final product. So for those of you wondering, no, it will not be brick-like like how we saw it that day. That was just kind of like a little tease. They were hiding the phone inside of a casing, so that is not the final product. But what you are seeing here is actually a concept created by Concept Creator. I will leave the link for his channel down in the description below, but I think he did a very good job at showing us what the phone could possibly look like based off leaks and rumors. This looks absolutely beautiful. If Samsung can get the phone to look just like this, then I think they have something good going for them. Now, like I said, they did give us a little tease without showing everything not too long ago. They did say that this new display is going to be called the Infinity Flex display. So when you have the phone folded, in the front, you'll have a 4.6-inch Super AMOLED front display, and then it will open up to a 7.3-inch Super AMOLED main tablet display. Now, it's kind of hard to tell exactly who this phone is going to be for. Maybe someone who carries a tablet and a phone with them everywhere that they go. Now, they won't have to do that anymore. If they do get this phone, they can have a regular phone and then open it up to a tablet whenever they need to use a tablet. Now, it is a cool concept, but it's kind of hard to tell if it's going to be worth it once I tell you the price, because the price is pretty high. Now, this phone will be ready to go by next year, and the phone could cost roughly around $1,700 to $1,800, which is crazy expensive, a lot more expensive than any other phones that are out on the market right now, except for Samsung's luxurious flip phone that is only available in China. But other than that, yes, this phone is crazy expensive. Now, is it going to be worth the price or not? I don't know. I think that's just going to depend on the consumer, what they are looking for in a device, if this device is going to have everything that they need. For me, honestly, I still don't know. I'm still kind of on the fence of whether it is worth it or not. We're going to have to see the final product and see all the features that Samsung is going to pack into this device, and then we will be able to tell how much this phone is actually worth. Now, reports claim Samsung will have a working prototype to show at the upcoming CES early next year. So early next year at CES, we are definitely going to get a better look at this phone, what it looks like, how it's going to work, hopefully be able to see exactly what features it's going to offer. But like I said, it is just going to be a prototype, most likely not the final product yet, but at least we'll have something better to work with and see when that time comes. But you guys, based off of this concept that Concept Creator has provided for us, what do you guys think? Do you think it's actually pretty good? Do you think Samsung should make the phone look like this? And the price, do you think it will be worth that price between $1,700 and $1,800 just based off what we know so far? You guys, let me know your thoughts down in the comments sections below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any future videos to come. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is Josh Quinones, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace out.